Hey guys, thanks for stopping by our Teacher Pay Teacher store. My name's Jason McClure. I'm with Algebra Help Desk. And here's our bundle for properties of real numbers. In this bundle, we have 3 levels of worksheets. We have entry, emerging, and expert. The entry level worksheets are for students who are, this concept's new to them. Maybe they need some more support. But the entry level is very straightforward. The emerging, there's a few twists and turns. And then with the expert level, we really try to challenge these students to think mathematically. Let's just scroll through this so you can see what it looks like. And these worksheets work with our Google slide deck on the same topic, as well as our cooperation activities on the same topic. So with the entry level, start at the beginning. We start off with just some vocabulary. We give them some vocabulary. If you're using the slide deck, you'll see this word. You'll have students either working individually or with a shoulder partner or a small group. You'll give them the definition. They'll work up their own vocabulary, their own definition. Then they'll give an example. And we're starting off with addition and multiplication. So everything on this page has to do with addition and multiplication. Here's the answer key. Now, of course, the part where it says in my own words, and the examples are going to be different because these are going to be student created. We just want them to mean something close to this. Then we give them some problems to work. And then we give them a few more problems to work. Once again, they can do this individually or in a small group. And then lastly, this is sort of a recap. Well, actually, it's not. It's the associative property. It's identitive. So we're moving into some multiplication stuff here. We revisit distribution. And finally, we end this one with this little graphic organizer. They're going to figure out if these equations are equal or not and which property is used. The emerging worksheet pretty much starts where the entry level one stops. There's more questions here for kids to have discussions with. Once again, we have an answer key for each section. Here we're given an expression. We're asking students to substitute, in this case P for 4. We're going to write a new expression. And we're practicing the substitution property, which is really important when we get to systems of equations, when they have to substitute one equation in for a variable. And then we give them some more properties. They're going to find the absolute value, a couple of word problems, real world situations. Here's one where they're critiquing the work of Sasha. We are introducing the number line. We'll come back to the number line in a few lessons. But once again, there's a lot of opportunity for kids to have discussions with their shoulder partner or small group. The expert level, we finish up all of the vocabulary. So this is probably the most vocabulary intensive unit that we do, but it's critical, it's important. It's going to prepare them for geometry when they have to do proofs. Once again, we're throwing in questions like, why do you think 0 is not a natural number? Because we want to create as much classroom conversation as we can. So about every sheet, I think pretty much every page on anything we do has at least one question, and sometimes more. Because the more conversations we can have, the more learning and the more engaged students are. Here we've got 3 different situations. Fatima's says the answer to a problem such as the absolute value of y is 2. They're going to critique that, which is math practice 3. And then we got Josue and Jack, and then we have another answer key. Some absolute value problems, which is going to problem for solving equations later. And that's our bundle on the properties of real numbers. Lots of discussions, lots of practice. If you have any questions or comments, let me know.